Greetings from Austin, Texas. I used to tell people that just because you go off to war doesn't mean that everybody comes back broken, but it does mean that everybody comes back changed. But we really didn't understand that change. And over time, as we began to monitor the alarming rise in military suicides, we learned that the underlying issues were not just psychological. A lot of them were physiological. The brain chemistry had changed. For the past 10 years or so, I've been exposed to the simple tools that leverage optimal brain function in ways that can help all the service members and their spouses as well. And I've come to realize that how we deal with our brains may be the single most important thing we do to tackle and what we have to tackle for the next generation. And frankly, nothing is more important to life than brain performance. A brain that can think critically, that can function under stress, a brain that is resilient in the face of trauma, a brain that is creative, that is reflective and thoughtful, and that is socially active. You know, with advances in cognitive neuroscience, it is possible for everyone to have stronger brains, to improve their baselines, and to be more productive as a result. You know, I agreed to be part of the Center for Brain Health's pioneering work because they are leading the way, not only with the research, but with translational science that is actionable. Military communities have been at the forefront and the core of the center's work from the very beginning. Active duty service members, including a number of the SOCOM components, but also veterans, especially as they're transitioning to civilian life, veterans and their spouses and families. What the work has shown is what is possible. It has made fit men and women fitter, better able to deal with the problems around them, better able sometimes to heal those invisible wounds. Georgianne and I have been the national spokespersons for the Center for Brain Health for about the past 6 years. So I urge you to join me in making brain health and performance the next health revolution. Thank you very much.